guys, I was going to make some slime, but now I've started using gallons. I decided, actually, today I might, on this video I might just fix one of my slimes I made at school yesterday. Yesterday for my class made slime. Yeah. And this is my bubblegum slime I made. I had to help the class make it because I was the only kid in the class that knew how to do it. So, yeah. So I just got... It's okay, it's a fluffy slime. Yeah, instead of keeping it in this Ziploc bag that we had to use, I'm going to put it in one of my containers. Just put this container. Okay. This is the slime I made. It's really stretchy. And it's really big, my teacher. Like, she didn't know that kids would want big slime. She thought she would, doesn't matter. But I made a big slime. And it's a really pretty pink colour. Try and do a bubble. I'm really bad at bubbles, okay. Oh no, that one failed. Okay, let's do this. I'm really bad at doing bubbles. I'm really good at poking and crunching. I'll see if it fits in its container. No! No. That's why I go put it in the slushy slime. So if slimes don't fit, I have a slushy slime. And it's a weird colour because I put all my old slimes in it. So I go put the rest of this slime in here. So then it fits. And then this slime, I put it in containers for other people to use. So, yeah, it can still fit. So I'll show you this one. It's really weird feeling slime, but now it's going to feel even better because I added some fluffy slime into it. This is really not fluffy slime, it's actually glossy slime, but it acts like fluffy slime. Yeah, now it's all harder. Okay, doesn't matter. So, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have a nice Saturday. Bye!